Malema, you are letting this country down. The things you say and the things you do, you are slowly becoming the enemy of South Africa. You must know that. Sanibona South Africans, ngithemba ukuthi niyaphila bafowethu, sanibona kwaZulu, sanibona kwaNongoma, sanibona iZululand. Ngane zakwethu. Ngiyaqala namhlanje ukwenza ivideo nge-EFF. Ngiyaqala namhlanje ukwenza ivideo ngoMalema. Kodwa ngibona ukuthi sekuyisikhathi bafowethu ngoba okubuhlungu labaholi bane platform yokuthi uma bekhuluma belalelwe umhlaba wonke, belalelwe nabantu bakwamanye amazwe abafani nathi silalelwe abantu bangakithi nje. Ibuhlungu into eyenziwa yi-EFF eSouth Africa. I-EFF noMalema njengamanje bayisitha se-South Africa. I-EFF noMalema bayakhombisa ukuthi they were part of selling this country for personal gains. They were part of selling this country to their friends. Bebuye bezoma phambi kwabantu Malema, thousands and thousands of people, and promised them lies. uMalema desperate. Iqembu lakhe olubulele. The man had a potential. The man had a chance. But ngenxa yokuthi usebenzela isisu sakhe ne-ego yakhe, wayibulala i-EFF wayiqeda. Manje uyiqedile i-EFF ufuna ukuthi kufe nabantu base-South Africa. Bafowethu, uma ngabe kuthiwa abantu bakwamanye amazwe abadocument befake kulelizwe, abala eSouth Africa abantu bazokwenza njani? uMalema lo monakalo ongaka wenziwa ama-foreigners la eSouth Africa akawubonile. Lo monakalo ongaka owenziwa ngabantu bokufika kulelizwe akawubonile. Njengomholi uma ekhombisa yena ukulahla ithemba ukuthi ayisekho into engenzeka, ngcono sivele sibavumele lapho abantu, unikeza liphi ithemba kumuntu oyilunga le-EFF wala eSouth Africa ohlupheka njengamanje, ongasebenzi ngenxa yokuthi imisebenzi eminingi, ngisho ama-spaza shops lawo, ngisho iy'todlwana lezi zasemakhaya seyithathwa ngabantu bokufika. Bantu base-South Africa, let us stop defending leaders. Let us defend the country. The country will always be here. Mina, I will pass away one day. Malema will pass away one day. Indoda isebenzisa unembeza ngaso sonke isikhathi. Indoda mayenza into isebenzisa unembeza noNkulunkulu ngaso sonke isikhathi. uMalema akangafuni ukuthi yena ngokubona ukuthi uyafa. Ne-EFF yakhe iyafa ebese funa ukufa nezwe lonke. Awukwazi ukutshela abantu ukuthi umuntu oselapha ngokungekho emthethweni. Okokuqala, we are glorifying this illegal foreigner thing. That's where we must stop. If something is illegal, it is against the law. You can't say anything positive about that thing because it is against the law. How can you be a leader and endorse illegal things? Why would you call yourself a leader when you are endorsing illegal things? Let us not glorify this illegal nonsense. All foreigners must leave this country, all of them. And those with proper documents can be rechecked, because siyazi ukuthi Home Affairs have been doing a dodgy business in this country. We are saying everyone must get out. We will recount them when they are coming in. So what kind of a leader would go against his own people, his own brothers and sisters, just to impress the neighboring countries? Why don't you just go back to your country? because everything you are doing, it just shows that you are not from this country. You were planted in this country to come and destabilize this country. That's why we were the first. Thina saqala ngokubona ngomalema ukuthi umuntu omdala uyethuka. Seqala ukubona ngomalema ukuthi uyakwazi ukuqonda uPrime Minister wakwaZulu. Umqonde nje umthuko. Ku702 abantu abaningi abangamaZulu they don't even know ukuthi uMalema used to have i-interview with umntwana owaphinda ngena kuyi702 amthuke live and umntwana owaphinda ngena has never told us that, but we know so uthi uMalema kukhona ama whites illegal foreigners la ezweni. Okay, let's say Akon. He knows that, and he is a leader, and he is not doing anything about that. And when the community stand up to ukusebenza lento abantu abayibonayo bona, and then the leader is going to come counter attack that action yabantu. Whoa. Uthi, I will repeat this. I want you to listen to me properly. Bafowethu, uthi uMalema la eSouth Africa bakhona nabelungu abala kulelizwe ngokungekho emthethweni. Kusho umholi that has been in the governance for more than 25 years. He says he knows ukuthi there are illegal white immigrants in this country, and he has done nothing about it. Now that abantu bakithi bayasukuma bathi thina emalokishini la sihlala khona, because thina sihlali phela eSandton la kuhlala khona ama white illegal immigrants, sihlala emalokishini, sihlala eMjondolo thina. We are talking about our situations eMjondolo, and then the leader counter attacks that. Who are you representing, Malema? Who are you representing? Why are you taking this country down? You made your deals, Baba. Deal with your deals. Don't involve the community of South Africa. We are changing this country. You like it or not. If you sold it, that sale has expired, Bafowethu. That sale, whoever sold this country for whatever reason, that sale has expired. We are here now. We want this country back. We want to have our own freedom in our own country without being shoved and blocked by people from their countries who ran away, who can't stand up as men and face the challenges of their countries. We are also poor in this country. We also got our own problems in this country, but we can't run away from this country. We have to deal with these problems. We have to teach ingane zethu to be strong and face the problems. We can't run away and go hide in other countries and start disrespecting other people from that country or the people of that country. So, sicela ukusho ukuthi obonayo ukuthi kunabelungu eOrania akahamba yosebenza into yabelungu eOrania. Thina okwamanje sisebenza lokho. Obonayo ukuthi kunamandiya ePhoenix enza izinto ezithile, please, izwe likhulu, we can't do everything. Go and fix that problem that you see. Obonayo ukuthi kunamasulumane kuphi nakuphi, ingakho size sathi idolobha nedolobha emadolobheni abasukume bonke abantu emadolobheni belwe nendaba yabantu bokufika, ngoba ngeke wonke umuntu abantu ababodwa besebenze into eyodwa bonke. If you see ukuthi there's a problem in the white suburbs, ucabanga ukuthi kunama foreigners are illegal, sebenza phela leyo nto leyo, because you've been in government for so long and you've been overlooking these things. Now that we have taken up to the streets, and when as a leader you want to counterattack that and you say you are representing people, Malema, you are letting this country down. The things you say and the things you do, you are slowly becoming the enemy of South Africa. You must know that.